All the dignitaries and research scholar present to be here. I am Chandrasekhar Sharma, project assistant at CSIR, Center Building Research Institute, CBRI, Roorkee. Next we have content of presentation, introduction, objectives, brief story of PLC, proven track record in Europe, physical property, impact of concrete properties, currently research work at CSIR, CBRI, conclusion and acknowledgement. Introduction of PLC. Portland limestone cement PLC. It is basically blended cement with a higher content of limestone. It is made by intergrinding of 85% of Portland cement clinker and 15% of limestone. You can see at the image. Next we have objective of development of PLC. The main objective of development of PLC is reducing the CO2 emission because 1.5 ton production of PC clinker produce 1 ton CO2. Next, presenting a reasonable solution for the disposal of LGLS, reducing the problem of environmental pollution created by low-grade limestone slurry. Low-grade limestone slurry is a byproduct of stone cutting and mining industry in Rajasthan, India. And there is a large amount of LGLS are produced. And it is polluted air, water, and agriculture land an excessive amount. So it is created very big problem. The story of PLC. PLC was initially developed in Europe in the 19th century. It was first permitted to use PLC in 1960 by Spanish standard for industrial use. 10% replacement of LGLS was allowed in the initial stage in 1960. The 2004 ASTM allowed up to 5% of the inclusion of PLC. But in 2012, the LGLS inclusion percentage was increases to 15% by ASTM. Record in Europe of the PLC used successfully for over 15 years in the variety of application and exposure condition known as Portland limestone cement. Up to 35% limestone content allowed by European cement standard. Most popular cement sold in Europe today has a limestone content up to 20%. It is physical property of PC and PLC, like compressive strength of 7 days and 28 days, water cement ratio, setting time, initial and final, expansion, RR factor distribution, specific gravity, and bulk density. Mostly the physical property of PC and PLC is near about similar, but the specific gravity and fineness of cement PLC is different. PLC is the specific gravity of PLC is less than to PC, and fineness of PLC is higher than to PC. Properties of the PLC like workability, bleeding of concrete, setting time, and consistency, initial setting time and final setting time. You can see the graph of PLC. Workability increases after adding the LGLS. Bleeding decreases because the higher surface area of PLC. Setting time slightly increases. Concrete properties, impact on concrete properties of the PLC. Fineness heavily influence fresh and hardened concrete property of PLC concrete. Workability also increases without decrease compressive strength of PLC concrete. The rate of strength development is improved. Shrinkage of concrete is shrinkage of PLC concrete it decreases. Durability is increases. Currently, research work at CSIR, CBRI. We are developing low-grade limestone, lightweight mortar and concrete using LGLS and lightweight expanded aggregate LISA. Also, we have examined physico-mechanical and microstructural property at the elevated temperature of the LGLS lightweight mortar. The LGLS lightweight mortar consists of 20% LGLS replacement with OPC and 50% LISA replacement for fine aggregate. The quantity of both the material maintained above is best suited for improving the property of lightweight mortar. Due to LGLS and LISA, the above lightweight mortar is 25% lighter than ordinary mortar and has 15% higher compressive strength than regular mortar at elevated temperature. Here, conclusion of this presentation. PLC reduce the hydration time up to 17% as compared to OPC. PLC have giving good packing density, so minimize the pore size. PLC concrete has less water absorption and durability also improved. PLC concrete improved the compressive strength and at an optimum placement level of limestone by 15%. That is my acknowledgement. We are grateful to Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, New Delhi, Government of India for this given opportunity.